The Young and the Restless reveal that Tucker will not continue accepting concessions after all he recently wants Jabot for himself, and even wanted Jack to pay for what he caused. Ashley also wasn't happy about what that happened and even wanted to withdraw from their plans. She regrets choosing to trust Tucker, and he has always been that bad. Now she asks him to end their married life. Jack will try to help his sister go through this difficult time, and on this side, Billy realizes he is the only one who can solve Jabot's problem and doesn't want to continue supporting Jack as before. Jack also notices Billy's changes and is suspicious that he is no longer the same. Is he willing to accept Billy's firing or bring Kyle back to his family? Because Diane also pushed and hoped Jack could accept that, she didn't want Kyle to be alone out there forever. Tucker on this side will also affect the relationship between Jack and Billy and make the situation worse. This makes him feel satisfied about everything, but how will things turn out next? Jack will make sure to make things best for Kyle if he comes back. However, his claim was what he belongs to Billy. But after all, the decision still belongs to Jack and who will do so or not. Will Phyllis really join forces with the new plot with Tucker? When she agrees to find Billy's information for him without knowing something troublesome will happen. It seems that Tucker's planning to borrow Billy's story to create leverage to make everything in Jabot more chaotic. How will things turn out in the near future? But importantly, Jack seems to be no longer trusting Billy like before, ignoring what he said. Tucker made a request and forced Phyllis to accept. Now he's the only one who can help her solve her current problems. However, the risk is that this brings to her extremely great. And of course, when she does well, that Tucker has suggested, she'll definitely have enough money to pay for insurance. But what if her children know about their mother's actions? In the end, their relationship wasn't very good. Tucker's carrying out this plan and everything seems to be going smoothly. However, will Jack realize that Phyllis is different and quickly ends her affair? As for the fans, what do you think about what's going on? Please leave your comments below to let us know. And Tucker's being targeted by both Billy and Jack, but he's smarter about letting Phyllis handle everything for him. How would Billy feel if Jack intended to fire him from Jabot? Can he put Tucker's matters aside and resolve the matter with Jack? Nikki hopes Nick will return to work at Newman Enterprises, but he'll deny it. After all, he has his own plans. While she is still busy dealing with her issues with Newman Media, Nick is currently working at Kristen Incorporated for Sharon, because he promised to support her when she left Newman Embrace, and everything between them went extremely smoothly. Currently, the tension between Victoria and Victor is still increasing, as he still has no intention of stopping everything. Despite Nikki's attempts at reconciliation, it doesn't get better. Victoria will ask Nate to leave Newman with her, but he will probably refuse, because recently he feels that Victor is taking him very seriously. But you will never know that it's just a plan. Adam will return, but will he be surprised to find himself under any supervision? Though neither of them wanted, they had no choice.